Alright, so I'm going to show y'all the date driving wheel on this Hamilton 619. I made a post earlier. This part right here, right there, that's the date drive wheel. It connects with the gear down here and rotates around. That's the hour hand. Now let me show you how it works. Alright, see that right there? So see that little nub right there? That's actually a little part, and that's the lid, and underneath that is a gear, and then you got the another drive wheel. Well, as I was checking the function of this thing last night, I installed it all. I was just getting ready to rotate it over and just make sure the date was changing, and that little part coughed right out. Heartbreaking. I spent a couple hours last night. I spent about another hour and a half today. I had to pull this whole assembly apart and figure it out because there's like a little two mechanisms inside that pushes and pulls that part. It'll rotate it out. Watch, you'll see what I'm talking about. But anyways, no parts on this at all. If you want to fix it, you got something broken on it, you know, I got to start taking consideration on warranties, because this movement alone, you can't get the parts. You got to buy a whole movement, $120 if you find one. Alright, let me see if I can get this thing on here so I can turn this over. I'll show you. Alright. So that's around midnight, okay? Now, it's not perfect, so I'm just going to show you. But watch as this thing turns, and that hour hand advances. You'll see now that lever's gone. It's pushed all the way in. Crazy, huh? See it being pushed out? That's at 4 a.m. $7 a.m. Now watch this. 11 a.m. It's pushed all the way back. See that? Midnight. 3 p.m. $7 p.m. See that nub? It's starting to come out. See it? Now watch. Doesn't grab there. 7 p.m. Boom! Right there. 12 o'clock. I fixed it. That makes me happy. You have no idea. Hope you like it. That's date drive wheel repair. Hamilton 619. Buren 1009. Hamilton Matic. Told you I'd fix it. It was actually an easy fix, but it had me worried because I never opened up one of those drive wheels before. There's only four parts inside that thing, but man, let me tell you, it's crazy how they did these things. Later.